Viewers, we're starting the bulletin with a big breaking news coming in. SC has stayed the transit anticipatory bail, which was granted by the Telangana High Court to the Congress leader Pawan Khera in relation to the Assam Police's FIR when it comes to Himanta Biswa Sarma's complaint. Remember, he had made some very serious and sensational allegations against Himanta Biswa Sarma's wife. It was a wife of the Chief Minister who had filed a complaint, and there was a massive war of words between the BJP and Congress on the same. And now we have the latest coming in that it's been a huge setback for Pawan Khera. SC has stayed the transit anticipatory bail granted by the Telangana High Court to the Congress leader Pawan Khera in relation to the Assam Police FIR on the CM Himanta Biswa Sarma's wife's complaint. So latest coming in, Harish, my colleague, joining us on the broadcast. He's going to give us more details on the same. Harish, to say the least, it's a massive setback for Pawan Khera. SC has now stayed Khera's transit bail. Top court, relief has been given to the Assam Police. What happens next? Does Pawan Khera have any other legal recourse left?
Yes, that's right. A big setback coming in for senior Congress spokesperson and leader Pawan Khera, as the Supreme Court has just now stayed the transit anticipatory bail granted for 1 week to Pawan Khera to approach the Guwahati High Court. In fact, the Supreme Court prima facie agreed with the view of Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who had appeared for the Assam government, and argued that the Telangana High Court had given anticipatory bail to Pawan Khera without any jurisdiction, because the FIR was registered in connection with the allegations he made against the Himanta Biswa's wife Riniki Sharma, that she possesses multiple passports illegally and has undisclosed overseas assets in countries like Dubai, and an FIR was registered in Guwahati by the Guwahati crime branch. Then how the jurisdiction goes to Telangana? This is what the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta argued. The Supreme Court finding prima facie merit in the argument of Tushar Mehta, the Solicitor General, that it's a complete abuse of process of law, and therefore the Supreme Court has stayed the anticipatory bail, transit anticipatory bail granted to Pawan Khera, and has issued notice to Pawan Khera on the Assam government's petition, which has challenged the transit anticipatory bail given by the Telangana High Court. But the most important, and also the Supreme Court said that in case Pawan Khera moves the jurisdictional High Court, that is the Guwahati High Court, this adverse order will not come in the way. So coming to a question, what is the legal recourse? Now, since Telangana High Court's anticipatory bail has been cancelled, now Pawan Khera has the legal option to move the Guwahati High Court and seek anticipatory bail afresh. So in case he applies in that proceeding, this order of the Supreme Court will not come in the way. This is what the bench led by Justice J.K. Maheshwari has told while hearing the case. Remember, there were serious allegations of cheating and forgery against Pawan Khera, with Solicitor General pointing out two issues. One, that the High Court had given him transit anticipatory bail without jurisdiction because the FIR was registered in Guwahati crime branch. Number two, he had committed forgery of Aadhaar card in the Telangana High Court. So considering this and observing there is a prima facie case, the Supreme Court has stayed and asked Pawan Khera to approach the jurisdictional High Court, that is the Guwahati High Court, and try for anticipatory bail afresh. So as of now, it's a setback for Pawan Khera.
All right. So the transit anticipatory bail, which had been granted by the Telangana High Court, that has been cancelled. He has to now go to a different court altogether. But take us through, Harish, the entire case timeline. Jog our memories as to what the entire case was all about.
Yes, in fact, the case pertained to the FIR registered by the Assam Police following a complaint by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma's wife Riniki Sharma that Pawan Khera had made a wild allegation that she held multiple passports, passports of 3 countries, which is illegal in India because India does not recognize dual passports, dual citizenship. And number 2, that she possessed undisclosed crores worth amount of foreign assets in foreign countries, which remain undisclosed. This was the allegation.
And those were the allegations after which obviously a case was filed. Far as his wife is concerned, very serious allegations against Pawan Khera, cheating, forgery of will, and many others, which obviously Harish also underlined for us. We have a BJP reaction coming in already on this big development, viewers. A setback for Pawan Khera, SC staying the transit anticipatory bail. How's the BJP reacting? Let's listen in.
सुप्रीम झटका मिला है पवन खेड़ा को सुप्रीम कोर्ट की तरफ से। तेलंगाना हाई कोर्ट का जो ऑर्डर था इंटरिम रिलीफ देते हुए 1 हफ्ते का, उसको स्टे कर दिया गया है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि वी आर सरप्राइज कि इस प्रकार की चीजें हो रही हैं और किस प्रकार से अब्यूज ऑफ प्रोसेस ऑफ लॉ किया गया है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पवन खेड़ा को गुवाहाटी में पेश होने के लिए भी कहा है। गुवाहाटी में जाकर वो चैलेंज करे, परंतु एक बात स्पष्ट है कि पवन खेड़ा ने खड़ा किया झूठ का बखेड़ा। अब वो बन चुके हैं भगोड़ा, मुंह छिपाते फिर रहे हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने सुपारी लेकर पाकिस्तान के इशारे पर और राहुल गांधी के इशारे पर असम के मुख्यमंत्री और असम की बेटी को टारगेट किया।
All right, so that was a reaction of